Hello everybody, today I will be showing you a very easy and simple way of making your own almond milk and almond flour. As both of these products are quite expensive products to buy in a store, making it yourself can make it a little bit less expensive. When shops sell products, they try to give the product as long as its shelf life as possible, so they add in preservatives. When you make it yourself, you do not add the preservatives, which makes it a lot healthier. But it also means your product doesn't last as long, so I wouldn't recommend you keeping it in your fridge for longer than a week. But that's enough chit chat for now, so let me go show you how to make your almond milk. Your almonds overnight in some water, you strain down the water, and then you rinse the almonds to get rid of all the nasty stuff. After you strained and rinsed your almonds, throw your almonds and all the other ingredients into your mixer. Just make sure your mixer can actually contain all your ingredients. After adding in all your ingredients, just put on your blender and let it go for about 1.5 minutes. Here I just wanted to check if everything was going good. If you look, you'll see how it created foam and froth at the top. This is light fluffy stuff, and at the bottom you'll see the almonds and the almond skins. After you blended everything, you will need to get your nut milk bag or cheesecloth. I'm using cheesecloth, and I line my cheesecloth in the bowl beforehand, otherwise it just makes a mess. So then you just pour your mixture into the bowl. After you've thrown in everything, you just gather your cheesecloth or nut milk bag, and then you just start squeezing it. And you just keep on squeezing it until all the moisture is out, and if you feel it, it should feel it more or less like clay. Then you know you probably got out all the moisture. And then you're left with your lovely almond milk in your bowl and your almond pulp in your bag. I then pour my almond milk into a jar so that it makes less of a mess when I throw it into my bottle. And there you go, your almond milk. Then if you want to make almond flour from the almond pulp you had over, you just cut a piece of wax paper to fit your oven tray. Then you place your almond pulp on your wax paper and spread it out nice and thin. If you leave lumps, it would take longer to dry. You should preheat your oven to 100 degrees, and it takes about 1 hour to 1.5 hours. When it's nicely dried out, you can loosen your almond pulp from your wax paper so that it throws easier into your blender, as it needs to be blended for about another minute to 1.5 minutes so that you can get that nice fine consistency of flour. You can check it so around about after a minute to see how the consistency is, and if you like it. I like it a bit more finer, so I usually go for 1.5 minutes. Then all that's left over is to throw your almond flour into your container, and voila, you have almond milk and almond flour. If this video helped you, please give me a like and subscribe so that we can have many more moments like this.